and welcome to VOSR International, the voice of Shortwave Radio. I'm your host, Wavecrest Guy. This broadcast is being transmitted by WRMI, Radio Miami International, in Okeechobee, Florida, on both 9455 and 15770 kilohertz. This broadcast is also being transmitted by Shortwave Radio in Lower Saxony, Germany, on 3975 kilohertz. All right, so we're going to start out this broadcast with some announcements. And first off, I want to make an announcement that we did hear from our one-year anniversary radio giveaway winner, Glenn, and he sent me an email, and he writes, sorry for the delay, we had some health issues, and he sent me a picture with him and the radio that he won, and his other radios also. He said, I can't tell if they came out well, but all three radios in the picture are programmed to the transmissions I can receive VOSR on. And it is a great picture. I actually set up a page on our website at VOSRinternational.com. You can go over there and check it out. I've also put this picture in under the listeners' radios on that page, so it's on there twice. He continues on here. The radio is awesome. Great sensitivity with just the whip antenna. Really easy to use and understand, too. I needed a small portable for out and about, and this fits the bill perfect. Thanks again for having the contest. Congratulations, Craig. I'm glad it worked out for you. And I agree. That radio is very intuitive. It's really easy to use. You don't have to study the manual, or there aren't a lot of things hidden on it. Features, and it's really easy to use radio, and it is great to just pop in your shirt pocket and go ahead and take it out and use it. So congratulations, glad you enjoyed it, and you can go over and check that out over on our website and see his collection of radios. And then next, while you're over there, we'll talk about our website, the VOSRinternational.com. You can head over there. I got still going on with the listeners map, the VOSR International listeners map. If you send in a reception report with your location or just an email with your location, I will add a pin on your location on our listeners map. We're getting close to 400 pins on there. I think we still have a couple states in the U.S. to fill out. I don't think we have North Dakota or South Dakota yet. I think there's one or two more. And we are getting quite a few in Europe, and we actually picked up a couple in Australia, and I believe there's even one in New Zealand that have been picking up the program on 15770 kilohertz. So you can go ahead and check those out. I end up putting them on a Google type map or an app like that, and then I take screenshots of it so you can zoom in and see the location, so you'll have to flip through them. And then also I have a page on there for our listeners' radios and radio rooms and their setups. So send in your emails for that and with pictures, and we'll get them put on there. And it's a nice little collage, and you just kind of flip through them and see everybody's radios. A lot of great radios out there. And it's great to see a lot of those older radios being used. There's definitely a lot of newer radios, and a lot of people, especially with the weather changing, starting to go outside and take advantage of that and listen to the radios in the outdoors. So keep those pictures coming in, and we'll get them added on. You can also add some VOSR merchandise to your listing over there, and purchase some merchandise and support the channel. We've got hats and notebooks and mouse pads, and there's a bunch of things on there. Go over there and check it out, and just order what you like. All proceeds just go to help purchase their time and support the channel. Next, you can go over to our Facebook group if you're on that medium, and we are under VOSR International. You can join us over there. It's another easy way to communicate with us. You can just click and post over there. You can post any receptions that you have. You can post VOSR International receptions, ask questions. It's a great group, and you can go over there. And that's grown quite a bit. I actually just started mentioning it on the show here a couple months ago, and that's grown by quite a bit. So go over there and check it out. Click join, and then you can go over there. You'll get a notification if somebody posts something, and you can go check it out. Also, we're on Reddit. You can go over to Reddit. We're under Grundig Shortwave Radio, and you go over there and check us out. We have a bigger group